Yes, you have read it right. I have left Deloitte Consulting. It's been a couple of weeks. Exact, to be very precise, on 29th of July 2024 was my last working day. People who do not know, I was working for Deloitte Consulting since 3 years as a technology analyst, where I was working with different clients in the field of analytics, cloud, SAP, data analysis, visualizations, reporting, etc. My 3 years of journey was nothing but a roller coaster ride, kind of. It comprises of a lot of learnings, making mistakes, learning from those mistakes, getting better with technical skills, getting better with communication skills. I remember how I was 3 years back, how I used to communicate, and how I have transformed in these 3 years. It's really a great development for me. I've met some amazing seniors, met some amazing mentors who have helped me, who have guided me, which path I should take and how should I proceed, etc. Some of the things which I never expected. Example, I always used to think that business trips are only for senior people like senior consultants or managers, but Deloitte changed that perception. I was given the opportunity to travel thrice to client location, like once to Hyderabad, I went twice to Pune, witnessed some really luxurious treatments like staying in five-star hotels, having yummy meals, traveling in flights, all those consulting luxuries that I was very fortunate to witness and got treated well, of course, in five-star restaurants, and the client meets and even the team meets used to happen in very nice restaurants, which really, which was a motivation factor to work and go on these amazing dinners and lunches and all. So overall, great experience, great journey. Whoever I have become now, it's only because of Deloitte. The things I've learned, the transformation which I have witnessed in myself, it's all about Deloitte. And yeah, I have heard that quote, like ये जवानी है दीवानी में हमने वो सुना था, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है. I think that is the main reason. So why I left Deloitte is because I feel I was in my complete comfort zone. Even though I was still learning, I was in my complete learning phase, learning new things every day. Still, I felt that I was very comfortable with my life. I needed more challenges. So for that reason, I thought it's the right time to step out. And it was, of course, 3 years. So yeah, so decided that should look for more challenging roles, higher role, and I wanted to put myself purposely into that kind of tough zone, get myself outside of comfort zone where I know the people around me, I know the teammates, I know the project, like everything I knew. Main question, where I am moving ahead. So I have joined NTT Data as an analytics consultant. I thought this role was amazing for me at the moment based on the work, the role, and factors which I consider while switching. So that's the reason I have joined NTT Data as a full-time analytics consultant. Yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.